Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I told you about the format of informal letter. Today I am going to write informal letter. I have already told you how we write informal letter. But we can say the letter will be, I will write a letter to my friend to inviting him in my sister's marriage. So I have already told you informal letter means a letter that we write for our family, friends or relatives are known as informal letter. So this is informal letter because I am writing a letter to my friend. So we will see here. First I have written here the writer's address. Writer's address means my address. This is the writer's address. I have already written here. Or I can say sender's address. Second thing, I have written here date. I have already told you the format of date means DD, MM and YY. Okay. After that we will write here salutation. This is salutation. My dear Anurag. This is the salutation. So after that I will write body of the letter. This is very important. Remember, I want to tell you very simple thing. In most of the informal letter, we can use one line. The line is, here I am quite well and I hope that you will also be quite well there with your family. Remember, I have already told you one thing. First we will write introduction. This is greetings. We have written here. Here I am quite well and I hope that you will also be quite well there with your family. We can write this line in any informal letter. In most of the informal letter we can use this line. After that we will write introduction. What is introduction? We will start from here. Further news is that my sister's marriage had been decided on 26th September 2020. Okay, I have written here the date of function. Then what I will write, where it will be celebrated, we have to tell. So I will write here, it will be celebrated at my residence. Remember, if the marriage function will be celebrated at your residence, you can write a residence, or wherever it will be celebrated, you will mention. So I have written here, it will be celebrated at my residence. After that, from another line you will write, so I am inviting you and all the family is invited for this marriage ceremony. Second thing, your sister's marriage is there. There will be a lot of work. So you can write, I hope that you will come before 1 or 2 days because there will be a lot of work at your home and friends are your friends are the best supporter. So you can also write, I hope that you will come before 1 or 2 days because there is a lot of work at my home. It's a part of kidding. Okay, but you can write there. So I have written here. So I am inviting you and all the family is invited for this marriage ceremony. And you will write, I hope that, or you can write, your presence is compulsory, or your presence is confirmed at 26th September. At the last you will write, thanking you and yours loving friend Arpit. This is the letter. This is the informal letter. Very simple. I have already told you. One more thing I want to add here. You will write everything, not only writer's address, date or salutation from left hand side. Nothing will be in right hand side. Remember, we don't write date there because this is the format of CBSE board. Remember, this is the new format. This is the new format. So according to new format, you will write here first writer's address, date, after that salutation, then body of the letter or content. After that, at the last you will write, this is subscription and this is the name of sender. Remember, you are sender, so you will write your name at the last. And one more thing I want to add here, it should be in one line. It should be in one line. You can see here. And first thing, writer's address, then date, then salutation, then body of the letter, then subscription, and at the last you will write sender's name. This is informal letter. Like this you can write any informal letter in your examination. It will be very helpful to you. So you can take the help from this informal letter, and I hope that now you all the students will practice a lot. At least you should write 4 or 5 informal letter so that you can understand very well. Remember, practice makes the man perfect. So you should do it and practice it more and more. Practice always makes you perfect. If you want to be a good student, you should follow the rules and instructions. Keep in touch with study, because study is your future. Study is your present also, and also your future. Both I want to tell. So keep in touch, and God bless you all. And please subscribe the channel so that you can get new videos. Thank you very much.